All right, good evening, all. Welcome back to my screen. So, I analyzed this pair, Euro USD, that was last week on Saturday. So, from my analysis, I went short this morning, Euro USD, at the break of this trend line. So, I will go back to my monthly, as always, to just refresh your memory on how. So, last week, I saw a kind of bearish move because this pair has been on a range for over since last year. Since it entered inside this box, it has been there. It has been making trading below this resistance and support zone here. So everything I'm trading has been inside this range. So that's it. Euro USD. So I'm seeing a bearish move this week. This new week is going to be bearish because based on my analysis and what I see on price action doing, I think it has reached its peak inside this range, which is supposed to, at least I was banking on it reaching this resistance, because this is a very strong resistance all the way from the week monthly time frame. So but since it didn't, it always stops at midway. So I think with this tweezer top, this signifies a bearish move to the downside. So my daily time frame, a daily candle, everything that happened today, it was just this candle. Every price movement on this pair today was just this candle. So tomorrow, unlike what I always do, is this was what happened last week. This box, I boxed it up on my 4 hour. I just boxed it up and said the moment price breaks below it, then I'll scale down to the lower time frame and jump into the trend. Maybe after 2 5 hour candle close, 2 5 minutes candle close, to be sure that the trend is still pointing down. So that's exactly what I did today. I made sure it broke out of this box, out of this my minor resistance and support zone, because I analyzed this pair thinking, if okay, the last week trend should continue. Once it breaks above this minor resistance, automatically it is going to try to take out this uh last month's liquidity, thereby pointing to the upside. But since it didn't, automatically we're on a bearish trend, Euro USD psychological level. So my psychological level would be all the way down to this 1.09065 price level. So tomorrow, I think, if I'm still holding this trend, I'm holding this trend for the week. Like I said, I'm a swing trader. I don't normally scalp. I only scalp once in a while, but I like to hold trends for days. So now I jumped on this trend this morning during the London session. Immediately I saw a break off of this minor support zone. I scaled down to my lower time frame, which is the 30 minutes time frame. Then I waited for a candle close below it. Then I went bearish at the close of this candle, this doge candle. I went bearish and my stop loss is resting above here because I'm targeting the downside. So my stop loss is up here and my take profit is here at this price level. But once the market clears this resistance come tomorrow or next, I will move my stop loss to break even, then allow the rest to run risks free. That's how I place my trend. So if you go back to my last analysis on Euro USD, you find out that I said last, because this is the last week range, the ones inside this box was the last week range. So if we count the candles, this this Thursday to Friday, and I boxed it up. So now, since we are no more on that week, I will remove this box and I will leave my today's box for the pairs movement today. So tomorrow, I hope that's if price action does how I predict and how I see it. Think it should continue this bearish trend. There should be something like a break off from this box, a retest, then bearish move to the downside, at least to this bigger resistance support zone, which is from the weekly time frame. Yeah, from this weekly time frame, at least once price tests here, then it's coming to this uh, support zone before it could think of going up again or further crashing. So for now, Euro USD, I'm bearish on Euro USD for this week till I see a kind of break above. I'm bearish Euro USD until I see price trading above this level, above this 1.11137 price level. So tomorrow, on Tuesday, I tend to see something like this happening. If my guess is correct, then tend to see something like this happening, then further crash to the downside. So that's it for Euro USD for now. So I'll further review it during the weekend to analyze and see how it goes. So do well to, if you're not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe and hit the like button so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to see it, at least get notifications on it, because this is a new channel and we are moving it to bigger level and a bigger heights.